Hey everyone, it's Mrs. Cotlenberg. It's good to see you. I'm here to draw with you. Today, I have my favorite Beanie Boo with me. Such an adorable little fox. My hope is that we can draw this together. How about you go get a piece of paper and a pencil and join me?
Okay, so we're going to start with our fox eyes. So let's start by drawing a nice big circle close to the top of the page, a little between the top and the middle. Then we'll draw a second big round circle for our second eye. All right, next we're going to draw a curved line at the bottom of each of these eyes. And repeat that on the second eye. Then we're going to draw 4 small lines in the bottoms of each of those eyes. The next step is to draw the light spots on the eyes. So this is going to look like where the light would shine and reflect off the eye. So we're going to draw 2 circles on each eye. A big one on the top left and a smaller one on the bottom right. There we go. All right, next I'm going to color that in. I'm going to speed this up, but you guys can go ahead and finish that up at the end of your drawing if you'd like. There we go. All right, our next step is the nose. So we're going to start by kind of a curved line between the 2 eyes and then turn it into an oval. Then we're going to add the nose, which is like an upside down triangle with like soft little rounded corners, and we can fill that in as well. Next we'll do the mouth. Start by drawing a straight line down and then curving out to the left and to the right. All right, now we're going to come in and do some ears. So I'm just starting a little bit up above the eye and going up on an angle and then coming back down and then trying to do the same thing on the other side. So they're fairly big ears, a little bit pointed. Then I'm going to draw the top of his head by drawing a kind of curved line between the ears. So you'll notice that the ears are a little bit lower than the top of his head. And then I'm going to come in and I'm going to kind of keep going around with that shape. Come all the way down the side of the head. And I'm going to join it up with his chin down here at the bottom. Now the interesting tricky part is going to be to try to make it look the same on the other side too. So this takes some practice. I'm drawing with Sharpie, but if you're doing with pencil, you can erase it until you get the shape that you like. All right, now I'm going to go inside those ears and I'm going to kind of create the inner ear part. Just kind of travel up and curve down and kind of join up with the other side of the ear. There. All right, next we're ready to get started on the body. So in order for this to look like a fox, it kind of has to have like those white cheek looks. And part of that is going to come on his snout. So I'm going to draw diagonal lines kind of up and out from the nose until it touches the eye, and then I'm going to bring it around and kind of curve it down, and that kind of makes it look a little bit like cheeks, like the white cheeks of a fox. And remember to curve it down. There we go. Perfect. Now we're going to come down from the bottom of the head and we're just going to make a straight line kind of diagonally going out a little bit. These are going to be the outsides of his front legs. All right. We can add a slightly curved part at the bottom, flat foot. There we go. And then come back up a little bit, not all the way. And do the same thing on the other side. So straight legs and then a slightly oval kind of come out. There we go. Shape for the feet. Now, that white patch from the cheeks is also going to come down the front of its body. So I like to come down kind of a bit of an S curve shape and in, and I join it up with the legs. So you could take that and you could bring it all the way down. I'm going to show that he has black paws. So I'm just going to do kind of a jagged line to show that it's a furry fox. And I can color that in later. Now I'm going to come in and put in the back legs. And a nice little curve at the bottom to show where he's sitting down. And try to do the other back leg the same as this one. So kind of following along, going across the body, making sure that they're about the same size. So there he is. He's sitting on his back legs. You can see them sticking up. Next, I'm going to add a tail, bit of an S curve, and another little wavy line. I'm going to do the same thing I did with the legs and kind of do a little zigzag line to show the fur. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to color in the black front paws. I'm going to speed that up for you again, and you can take your time with that. You can pause the video if you'd like, or just catch up after. Perfect. Here we go. There we are.
Hey everyone, we're all done. That was so much fun. I took a little extra time to color mine. Let me show you. Here's my fox. I colored her orange with some marker, and I added some pink to the ears and to the eyes. You'll also notice I changed things a little bit at the bottom here. I added some lines on the belly. I also added a little heart just for fun. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me. Until next time, bye!